That's why we don't know whether he visit or not. But if you feel that the people of Manipur also is the people of this country, he should have immediately rushed to Manipur. That is up to him whether he visit or not. Or if at all he does not like to visit, he can call all the stakeholders, say all the opposition parties. He can call, we can sit together. And also, I suggest that in the last, the all political party, national level, all political party meeting was organized by Home Ministry, chaired by Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah. In that meeting also, I suggest that they asked to me, so what is your view and what is your suggestion? I said that if Government of India have determination or commitment to stop this violence, you see, India is a military might in the fourth position in the entire world. If you have commitment, determination, it can be stopped within 1 week. Then you can say, you can ask whether any community, whether it may be Meitei or Kuki, those who are illegal, armed in their position, should be either laid down or should be disarmed within this week. Otherwise, we will take action. Then everybody will put down.